myself Needham Mishra is again here with the new video and with the new topic for class 10. This topic is related to principle of communication and the chapter is 4. Chapter 4. Students, as we have learned about the communication, that is the process of exchanging our thoughts with other people. Communication, it is really the method in which we give and receive messages. But good communication is normally a way of a process of exchanging our information. But when our communication will become good, that is very important. Good communication, why? Because good communication is really a key of our success. It is the way through which we make our social and professional relations. It requires good listening skills when our communication will become good, because our good communication requires good listening skills, sensible for non-verbal acts, as well as social and cultural awareness. Communication is a method using which we bring changes in our behavior. So the main function of communication is to inform, entertain, and educate people. As friends, as we know, communication is completed in few steps, about which we have learned in the previous chapter about the seven steps of communication. And in this communication, the messages first, there are few steps about which I am simply talking. Few steps in which the message is simply delivered by the sender, and this the messages that are prepared by the sender should be included in logical forms. After that, the message is transmitted through the communication channel to the receiver, and after that the receiver decodes the messages as per their capacity of thinking, and finally they act upon. Students, it shows, what does it show? So it shows that the main purpose of communication is to inform people. मुख्य उद्देश्य होता है कम्युनिकेशन का कि हम अपनी बात को दूसरे तक कैसे पहुंचावें और सही तरीके से हमारी बात दूसरे तक पहुंच जाए. सो द मेन मोटो, द मेन गोल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इज टू इन्फॉर्म द पीपल. आवर कम्युनिकेशन इज समटाइम यूजलेस. Why? Our communication is sometimes useless. Why? Because the improper encoding. If you are not encoding the message in the right way, then our communication will be useless. So there should be the proper encoding system. Have to apply the proper decoding system. After that, our communication will become effective. So before a communication, while communication, it is the moral duty. It is the moral duty of sender. Moral duty of the sender to encode the message. To encode the message in such a form so that the receiver should describe it in original forms. सेंडर जो मैसेज भेज रहा है वह इस तरह से मैसेज को फॉर्म करे ताकि रिसीवर जो उसको डिकोड करता है, रिसीवर जो उसको समझता है, ठीक उसी तरह से समझे. ठीक है ना. तो ये मोरल ड्यूटी होती है किसका? सेंडर का. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन देयर आर सम प्रिंसिपल्स एंड विच आर कॉल्ड 7 C's, जिसको 7 C कहते हैं. और वो क्या है जिसके बारे में हम लोग जानते हैं. देयर आर 7 C's आर प्रिंसिपल ऑफ क्लैरिटी. इन क्लैरिटी द फर्स्ट लेटर इज C. So first C is clarity. Second, principle of completeness. Second C, completeness. Third, correctness. Fourth, conciseness. Fifth, coherence. Credibility. Next, credibility. And finally, continuity. These are the 7 C's that are learnt as the principle of communication. So now I'm talking about the three types of C's, which are, the first one is clarity. Students, it is explained. Clarity explains that in communication the message should be framed in the logical way. Our idea should flow smoothly from start to end. The message should be framed. The message should be framed in such a form so that a simple person, एक साधारण व्यक्ति भी, a simple person should even understand it in the proper way. Understand it in proper way, understand it properly. So our tone and language should be clear in communication. Second one is a principle of completeness. Students, it is the most important and essential factors. It is the most important and essential factors for effective communication. Which one? Completeness. Our information should be complete. So our communication message should be organized. हमारा इंफॉर्मेशन जो है, हमारा कम्युनिकेटिंग मैसेज जो है, वह इस तरह से ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हो, शुड बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन द राइट वे, सही तरीके से ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हो. आवर मैसेज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन शुड बी फ्रेम्ड इन सच ए वे सो देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी ओमिशन ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. एक भी पॉइंट उसमें छूटना नहीं चाहिए हमारे मैसेज में. ठीक है. आवर कम्युनिकेशन will be said effective only when, क्योंकि कहता है कि our communication will be said effective only when the receiver is responding in the right way. So it is advised that the message should be organized in such a form so it carries a complete information about the subject of communication. So this one is the second one important principle of the communication. Third one is the principle of correctness. It is said that the communication, as we know, in communication we use all the important objectives such as our tone, our body action, our grammar of language, meaningful contents, etc. These all are the objectives of communication. What are? Our tone, our body action, our grammar of language, meaningful contents, etc. So, and it is also noticed that our message should be all over correct with respect to grammar, language, contents, and so on. The receivers have positive thinking. When the receivers receive the message, they must have the positive thinking about the sender. Only when the message will be correct and informative. कहता है क्या? The receivers will only have the positive thinking about the sender when the message will be correct and informative. That is why it is very important for the information should be in the correct form. It is the sole duty. While communication, it is a sole duty of the sender is to check and verify the contents of the message several times before transferring to the side of receivers. So these three are the important principles of the communication about which I have told you. So some other principles about which I have to explain in the next video. So till have a nice day and thank you. After watching this video, I have to note down the important points of all the related chapters. So we'll meet you again in the new video. Till have a nice day and thank you.